SharePoint Power users. Are you ready to create stunning interactive dashboards with your SharePoint data? If so, this is the Power BI Bootcamp for you. My name is Treb Gatte, and I'm a Power BI MVP. I'll also be your instructor for this bootcamp. In this hands-on workshop, we'll dive deep into the must-know approaches and techniques of turning raw SharePoint list information and information from CSVs and document libraries into beautiful, insightful dashboards. And the best part? No prior Power BI or data experience needed to join the fun. We'll tackle the essential building blocks of Power BI, of data extraction, transformation, data modeling, and visualization. Then you'll learn how to harness the power of the Power Query M language, DAX formulas, and also how to create professional-looking reports using visual design best practices. We'll also cover everything you need to plan your Power BI implementation, from licensing to security. Whether you're in marketing, finance, IT, or even sales, if you use Office 365 to capture your data, you'll gain serious value from this bootcamp. Come discover how to craft dynamic visuals and dashboards that drive smart decisions. Now, for the workshop, you will need a computer, a Windows PC, with the latest version of Power BI Desktop installed, so come prepared. By the end of this bootcamp, you will have an end-to-end view of how to leverage Power BI for SharePoint-based data for reporting, ready to use the minute you leave the session. Don't miss your chance to become the data expert your organization needs. Sign up today and unleash the power of data within your org.